Today we're going to be checking out the factory Floorpan fit tire tread scorched earth scene front and rear floor mats with 4xe inserts in black with silver and dark blue accents for the 2021 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL 4xe. These mats are an excellent option for Wrangler owners looking for interior protection while adding a distinctive, rugged aesthetic that's going to complement the Jeep's rugged style with a vehicle-specific fit. All right, right away, the standout feature of these mats has got to be the unique design, combining a tire tread pattern with a scorched earth scene with silver and dark blue accents. This design not only adds a custom look to your Wrangler's interior, but also pays homage to its off-road capabilities. Precision engineered for an exact fit, these mats are laser measured to match the factory floor pan of your Wrangler, ensuring full coverage and protection. This deep tread design effectively traps dirt, mud, water, and debris, keeping your interior clean and protecting the carpet from wear and tear. Constructed from durable, flexible PVC, these mats are designed to withstand daily use and harsh conditions. The material is resistant to cracking, fading, and deformation, ensuring long-lasting performance and maintaining their appearance over time. Installation is going to be nice and straightforward, with the mats designed to drop right into place without hassle. And we'll show you that install here in a minute if you stick with me. They also feature the nice anti-skid backing with the nice pegs on the back to keep them in place, and they use the factory retention system to prevent shifting during daily use and driving. These floor mats are made with high quality 100% flexible PVC. This material choice provides a balance of durability and flexibility, allowing the mats to conform to the vehicle's floor contours while resisting damage from heavy use. The deep, sharp tread pattern not only enhances that rugged aesthetic, but it also serves a very functional purpose by trapping contaminants like dirt, water, and mud, making cleanup easier. As far as pricing goes on these, they're coming in right around that mid to upper $200 price range for the full set of all four mats. Considering the custom design, the precise fit, and that durable construction, this is a solid value for Wrangler 4xe owners looking to upgrade their interior protection with a product that reflects their vehicle's unique character. Like I mentioned earlier, the install on this is very straightforward, so it's getting rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can have these installed in 30 minutes or less of your time. The mats are designed for a direct fit, aligning with that factory floor pan. Now, let's see an install video from one of our ExtremeTerrain customers so they can show you exactly how these go in.
All right, today we're gonna be putting in this Scorched Earth tire mat 4xe that I got from ExtremeTerrain on my new 2023 Rubicon. So first, we're gonna start with the passenger side. So it's fairly easy. You just take off this mat, the one that came with the car, and you're gonna add in this one, and you just pop it in these holes right here. Simple. All right, now we're gonna do the driver's side. It's gonna be fairly easy, the same thing. We're just gonna take out those original mat and you pop it from these 2 holes right here. Comes right off. And then you're gonna add the new mat, pop it right in. So now we're gonna do the rear passenger side. Again, simple, very easy. See these 2 holes? You're just gonna pop it right off. And place this one in. Fits perfectly. All right, now we're gonna be putting in the rear driver's seat mats. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna pop the 2 holes again. Fairly easy. You pop this mat right in. It should fit perfectly. And as you can see, you got that 4xe mat. Matches well with the 4xe on the Jeep.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the factory Floorpan fit tire tread scorched earth scene front and rear floor mats with a 4xe insert in black with silver and dark blue accents for the 2021 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL 4xe. And for all things Wrangler, keep it right here at Extreme Terrain.